The great white hunters are bringing in the refrigerator. He whacked his head.
I'm good. 1, 2, 3, there!
Okay.
1, 2, 3, there!
Yay! It's up the stairs.
Hold on, I gotta blow something.
Oh,
What are
shit.
you blowing? Listen.
Hang on.
I know you poor, but
There we
$20,
go.
maybe $20, but it's not worth your booty hole virginity.
You're on film, by the way.
Oh, thanks. That shit, dirty old twat. 6'9" assholes tied in a knot. Hooray!
Hey, lizard shit.
Fuck!
Hey, watch out for the doors and shit, man.
Oh my god, I don't have a lot of room to maneuver, Mom.
He doesn't have a street driving license.
Okay. Stop right there. Whoop. Set her up straight. And then let me get on the other side because I have no room.